All right, so for this video, we are going to start our 5th grade color wheel, and this is day 1. This is the day that we actually design our color wheel. And so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the center of our paper. And to find the center, the easiest way is with a long ruler. We are going to line it up from one corner of the paper to the other corner. And I'm going to say, okay, somewhere in the middle, I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to do it on the right side also, corner to corner with my ruler. And where these two lines intersect, that is the center of my paper. So I'll put a dot right there and then erase the extra X lines that we have there because I don't need that. All right, so this is the center of the paper. Then I am going to make this into 4 equal quadrants. And I am going to line my pencil up with the center. I am going to draw a line from the top this way and this way. I'm going to do the same thing on the sides as well. And that's a good stopping point, and that's a good point where you can finish it. All right, so once you have your 4 equal quadrants, we want to divide these into 12 sections. And so I'm going to divide this into 3, this into 3, and I'm actually going to do it at the same time. So I'm going to put my pencil down again on the center point. I'm going to line it up to what I think looks like 1/3, both in the top left and the bottom right. And then I can draw my line. Now that's a good time to analyze it and say, okay, does it look like 1/3 to 2/3? And if so, you're going to do it again, but this time we're going to make it into 3 parts. So I'm lining it up, and I'm going to do the top left quadrant and the bottom right quadrants. So this one might be a little bit bigger towards the end, but for the most part they're about even. So I'll go ahead and move to the top right and the bottom left. And again, I'm going to move my ruler till it looks like it's about 1/3 of the way. And finishing it again. About 1/3. So there are my 4 equal quadrants. All right. The next step is I am going to now draw 3 circles that go around the center. And the quick, easy way for me is I'm going to tell you to go ahead and do 3 fingers, or if you have small fingers, you could do 4. But I'm going to go ahead and lay 3 fingers down. I'm lining it up with the center dot, and I'm going to do a dot on each line. Actually, let me go back to this. I'm going to do 3 fingers, and I'm going to put a little dash, and then I'm going to do it again, 3 fingers up, and then one more time for 3 fingers up. Now, because the size of this paper, which is 15 by, it's almost 15 by 15, the shortest parts, no, it's a little bit less. It's about 15 by 14 or 15 by 13. Anyway, when I get to the top right here, I should almost be touching the very edge. As I move my paper and do the next line, it's going to be just a little bit further away because I've got a little more room. But again, I'm doing 3 fingers, line, 3 fingers, line. And I'm going to do this all the way around on each line. And I'm going to go ahead and stop the video, and then video 2 will be how to come up with your design after you've got this all done.